This is the VAT19 box. I'm going to be opening today.
Our dogs are helping.
Good dog.
I wonder if it has dog
Does
treats.
it smell good?
They
Can
seem
you
to
tell
like
what's in it? You like that?
Are
You
there
want to
dog
open
treats
it?
in there, you think, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, you're gonna help me. Okay, ready?
I don't even know like what company is this. Is
This is
like,
VAT19.
so
They have a
there's not-
bunch of random stuff.
So it's not like knives like the other one.
It's not knives. Yeah, someone asked if I was gonna do bud K knives again, but
Butt kit?
bud K, not bud kit. Alright, so ready? Here we go.
Packaging!
Yay! Okay. So the first thing that
I
we
gotta
got.
see my glasses. Packaged
Ooh.
nicely. Wait. Does that say popcorn poop?
Oh! Bacon popcorn.
Oh, I've actually had that and it's really good.
Oh, you
That's
like the bacon
what they
popcorn?
smelled.
Yeah.
I
Dog
knew there was
approved.
some food. No, it's actually good. You would think it would taste terrible, but it's good.
Really?
They
Okay.
sell something like that at World Market.
Next we have blendy pens.
What's a blendy pen?
How they work. You hook them
il funktionsmoment.
You comment il funktionsmoment.
I can't speak that language.
You twist the two pens together and then they make a new color.
Oh.
Interesting. Ages forward. Forward up. Oh, here we go. The world's smallest blower.
Oh, okay. Oh, but you know what? You could use that on your keyboard. You know when you get the little crumbs in your cracks of your
You
keyboard?
get crumbs in your cracks? I don't know about that. What do you think? Get the crumbs out of your cracks? Once you get the bacon stuck in your crack, you can blow it out with the world's tiniest blower.
I'm not gonna say what I was gonna say.
What is this? Alright, next up is the Frozen Magic. Freeze,
Ooh.
squeeze, enjoy. Oh,
What is that?
it's so, ooh, I feel it's squishy. No mess, no fuss. Non-toxic, BPA free, freeze, squeeze, enjoy. Slushifies your drink in minutes. It's that Esay, spelled E-S-A-Y.
You say.
Oh, they spelled it wrong. Totally. E-S-A-Y.
Did they mean to do that? I
I
don't
think
know.
it's made in another area.
Alright, well, you pour your Coke in there and make a slushy out of it. Let's just open it up real quick. Ooh, okay. Ooh, wow. It's already cold.
Oh, because it's been cold outside.
It's really
Interesting.
squishy. Squishy stuff. I'm gonna put that by the blower.
They're very interested in what you're getting.
What's next, guys?
Oh, I see pizza.
Oh. Okay, we'll save that for last.
Okay.
Looks like they
What the
want
heck?
this cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
Triple chocolate brownie cookie dough. Ready to eat. Delish.
Spoon included.
Spoon included.
How many chemicals is in that? Look at the long list of ingredients.
We got your dark brown sugar, that's the first thing, and your regular sugar. Your palm fruit shortening, coated chocolate chips, chocolate liqueur, cocoa butter.
Not on my diet.
580 calories for this little thing.
Wow.
Alright. Next we have Sneaky
Oh.
Stardust.
Yeah, when I was little, we used to eat that stuff.
What is this?
It's like gunpowder.
That's
it's,
what it says.
well, you pour it in your mouth and it's gum.
Really?
Are you gonna do it?
And try it. Oh, maybe. I've never had this before.
Dare you, but don't choke on it because you like inhale and it's powder and you choke.
Like the cinnamon
That's what
challenge?
used to happen to us.
Why didn't they do the sneaky Stardust challenge? That sounds cooler than cinnamon challenge. Okay, here we go. Whoa, yeah, that's powdery. I
Yeah,
can...
watch out because it makes you cough if it goes down your throat. Yeah.
Oh, that's what it looks like. I wonder if I'm even getting this angle right. That just doesn't look good.
Suck it up. Buttercup.
I can't. Well, I'm laughing.
Oh, I can tell you love it.
Why? That's not enough to make gum.
Well, you're supposed to pour more than that.
I'm just swallowing it at this point.
Well, you know what they say about swallowing gum.
What do they say?
Well, it's a wives' tale. They always say it's never going to digest so that it'll be there.
No, I thought you were gonna say like you poop bubbles or something. Where'd the cap go?
Right here.
Oh, it
On
looked
top
like
of
a
the pepperoni. What's that black thing in there?
The black thing? Looks like a deck of cards.
Is that what it is?
I don't know. Probably not. Nothing is
Wait,
as
what's
it
on the
appears.
outside?
It says black card.
Oh, it probably is cards.
Why would it just be black cards? It's not fun. Oh, it literally is just black cards.
On both sides?
What?
On both sides?
No, you just can barely see the other side.
Oh, man.
You have to like look really
Well,
carefully.
What's the point of that?
Well, if you play poker, it's hard to see someone else's cards. I don't know if you can even see that on the...
I'm sorry, I would not buy that.
Oh, look at the Joker and the King.
Can't see it. It's a blackjack.
I get it. Joker, King, Queen, G, 10. There's no aces in this. Oh yeah, there is one ace. I'm not gonna... Alright, do you approve of that? Yeah, you approve of that. Oh. That's what I can say.
Well, Baron just went and got himself a toy.
This gum is terrible.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, this big guy here. A gummy pizza.
Oh my.
Pizza topping flavor, sour apple, lemon, orange, berry blast, and cherry. 120 calories.
For the whole thing?
For the serving size,
There's
which is 11
in
servings.
one. So basically,
one
multiply
slice.
that by 11.
What?
I'm truly a mother, aren't I?
1,100.
1,320.
Yep, math. Quick math.
When you split it when you're doing one.
So it's like the real calorie of a pizza. Except this gummies. Oh, sorry. Oh,
And your bill.
and here's the bill.
Oh, it tells you what each thing
retail
costs.
value.
All of this would cost $76?
If you paid for it
Oh,
alone.
but you forgot something.
Oh, for this little tiny keychain, this VAT19 keychain, is $4 in retail price. But if you buy everything in the box, it's $49.99. You think I made a good deal or
No.
I don't know if I did.
I think the bacon popcorn's good.
This wouldn't be too bad. I
That's
mean,
kinda fun.
you can make your own slushies. What do you think?
Yeah.
Are you scared of it?
That's really the only thing I would use
You
out of
scared
that
of
whole
this,
thing.
Baron? What do
But
you
maybe
think?
maybe it's a different age group than me, and I'm sure we'll have ageist comments now.
You just got okay boomer comments.
I'm not a boomer. For the record, I am not a boomer. I'm younger.
I'm a millennial. Okay. Actually, I am, but
I'm not a boomer.
we'll have to try this. Alright. That is all.
And then you can blow.
Like, subscribe, peace.
Is that what I do? What are you blowing?
No, no. This is okay. We're done.
Gen X.